I spend so much time focusing on eating good food, preparing great food with good ingredients. I want to make sure that my cleaning utensils are just as clean and sanitized to prevent any cross-contamination. So let's take a look at what that is. Over here, we're going to practice kitchen sanitation. We're going to gather all of our sponges, brushes, trays, scrubbers. We're going to place them in the dishwasher with the detergent and a 1/4 cup of white vinegar. We're going to wash it on hot, and this is what's going to clean it. So it doesn't matter if it's a sponge. We've got our scrubbers. Make sure you include the dishes. We've got scrapers. We've got more scrubbers, trays, different kind of scrubbers, and dishcloths. We're going to put all of it in the dishwasher, and we're going to wash it with a vinegar and a detergent. No dishwasher? No problem. Let's take a look at what it takes for you to just clean them easily in your house, even if you don't have a dishwasher. Right here, you're going to put all the items in the sink. You're going to add soap and the white vinegar. You're going to pour boiling water over them and let them soak for 5 minutes. Rinse and reuse. Now you can just also put your dish rags into the washing machine. So we're going to take our white vinegar. We put all our items in the sink, and we're going to pour about a 1/4 cup of white vinegar into the sink, and then we're going to take our hot water and we're going to pour it over all of our items in the sink. Now we've got them in a boiling hot water, and we're going to let them just soak for about 5 minutes. Careful not to burn yourself. Make sure everything gets soaked. And for 5 minutes, we're going to let this soak. We're going to then rinse them off, take them out, perfectly clean, sanitized, ready for use. I want to let you know that vinegar is my by far favorite cleaning item. I use it on the floors, I use it in the dishwasher, I use it in the washing machine, I use it on the countertops, I wash my cupboards with it. White vinegar is your best friend, the least expensive cleaning ingredient. Just mix it with water and away you go. White vinegar is going to be your best friend from now on. It cleans, it sterilizes, and it smells good at the end of the day because everything is fresh and clean. Boom.